Good day everyone, I am Althea and I am supporting the workplace surveillance in the workplace. So today I'm on the pro side of workplace surveillance. Some people think that cameras or monitoring at work is just spying, but that's not true. Surveillance can actually help the both workers and the company. It helps stay focused, makes the workplace safer, and fix the problem faster. So my first argument is it keeps workers productive. My first point is productivity. Sometimes workers can get distracted or slow down when nobody is watching. If there are cameras or tracking system, it reminds people to stay focused on their job. This doesn't mean that the boss doesn't trust the employees. It just helps everyone use their time well and keeps the company running smoothly. My second argument is it makes the workplace safer. My second point is safety. Cameras cameras protect both the workers and the company. They can stop the theft and also help if something bad happens like harassing and bullying. If there is a video proof, it's easier to solve the problem and keep the workplace fair for everyone. So my third argument is it solves problems faster. If something goes wrong, like a machine breaks or an accident, the cameras can show that what really happened. The company can fix the problem faster and stop it from happening it again. This saves time, money, and keep everyone safe. So in my closing statement, in my conclusion, workplace surveillance is helpful. It's not harmful. It keeps workers productive, makes the workplace safe, and solves problem quickly. If it used it fair way, it helps both the workers and the company. Surveillance isn't about spying. It's about supporting and protecting everyone at work. Thank you.